welcome to my channel kbtech, and I'm going to show you in today's tutorial we'll be seeing part 1 of InShot. So yeah friends, let's continue the video. Yeah friends, the first step you have to install and open InShot. So let's create new video, photo and collage. Today we'll be seeing video, so click on video and give allow to access your files and blah blah blah, and you can take anything. So now actually in today's video we'll be seeing like how to next so yeah, how to make an intro. Okay, so rotate it. Since I don't have a proper picture, I'll rotate it. Okay, so this is like, if you want just a half of it, just click on it and give split. Okay, and you can delete whatever you want, and you have undo and redo option. So yep, and there's a translation thing. So like I can tell hello friends, and you can put okay. So again click on that, and you can put it like this or like this, and just now wait and watch. So today we'll be making one side. Since it's a different thing, or you're not able to see it, let me put a blank one. Blank is nothing else but blank is like, I'll be showing you it's a blank thing where you can add anything. So there I'll give circle, so and a boomba, it comes in a circle thing. So yeah, now keep it like how it was. So let us delete this. You can keep like hello friends, welcome to our channel and blah blah blah, and then you can put the translation as something else. So okay, so this is more than enough for me. So now the first thing what I'm going to do is click on this filter. Okay, the filters, you have effect, click on effects filters and adjust, give effect, and there's glitch. Okay, and the glitch should be a half and a little gap, and an effect for zoom or soul or something. You have to unlock all the things. If you have a premium version, it's available. And at the last I'm going to give celebrate by neon. So this neon should be a little small. So do you see this? Tan tan tan. Okay, so let us add some music now. Okay, I know man. So now you can select any music you want. So Ixon, so I can add anything. So let us add our channel's old music. So use, and the last click on it and split it and delete the other thing. And now what I'm going to do is click on this mic, go away and give edit, and keep the volume as whatever you want, and fade in and fade out like that. Okay, so like even this I could do it. So just let's again split it. By mistake I've extended it. See this? Yeah, this is pretty good. And now we are done with it. This is actually part 1 friends. You have like part 2, part 3 and many more. So that's it friends, we're done with it. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and smash the ding bell icon, and meet in next video. And bye bye.